The ADITYA L1 mission carries a suite of 7 scientific payloads to carry out systematic study of the Sun. The Visible Emission Line Coronagraph (VELC) studies the solar corona and dynamics of coronal mass ejections. The Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope (SUIT) payload images the solar disk in near ultraviolet and also measures the solar irradiance variations. The ADITYA Solar Wind Particle Experiment, Aspects and Plasma Analyzer Package for ADITYA (PAPA) payloads study the solar wind and energetic ions as well as their energy distribution. The Solar Low Energy X-ray Spectrometer (SOLEXIS) and the High Energy L1 Orbiting X-ray Spectrometer (HELIOS) study the X-ray flares from Sun over a wide energy range. The magnetometer payload is intended to measure the interplanetary magnetic field at the L1 point. The science payloads of ADITYA L1 are indigenously developed by different laboratories in the country. VELC is developed at the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bengaluru, Suite Instrument at Inter-University Centre for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune. Aspects Instrument at Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. PAPA payload at Space Physics Laboratory, Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre, Thiruvananthapuram. SOLEXIS and HELIOS payloads at UR Rao Satellite Centre, Bengaluru, and the magnetometer payload at the Laboratory for Electro-Optic Systems, URSC.